Today, I will tell you what post-welding process is in PCBA processing and why it is necessary. In the production process of dip plug-in, wave-like, welding is generally used for welding, which can improve the welding efficiency and utilize mass production. However, we know that there is also a post-welding process, which requires employees to weld with electric iron. This welding speed is relatively slow, but it is also a very important form of welding, with the increasing degree of automation in PCBA processing. Why is post-welding processing needed? 1. What is post-welding? Post-welding processing is the circuit board after wave soldering. The operation is not suitable for wave soldering components. Universal electric soldering iron manual welding. 2. Nowadays, weld-free technology is becoming more and more popular. During wave soldering, the temperature of the furnace is higher than the temperature of lead, so some components that are not resistant to high temperature cannot pass wave soldering. 3. The components are too high. The height of wave crest welding on the components is limited. If the components are too high, the wave crest welding cannot be passed. 4. There are a small number of plug-ins on the over-wave soldering side. In a circuit board, there will be some plug-ins on the over-wave soldering side. If there is a small number of plug-ins, post-welding processing can be used to improve efficiency. 5. The plug-in of the component is close to the process edge. The position of the plug-in of the component is close to the edge of the plate, which will encounter the assembly line and affect the normal welding. 6. Special components. For customers have special requirements of high sensitivity components cannot over-wave soldering. Post-welding is a very important welding method in PCB processing, which can overcome the shortcomings of wave soldering and improve the welding efficiency. XZH Technology Co. Ltd. is a one-stop PCBA service provider. Subscribe to me. Click here to know more about PCBA.